Yo, what's good with y'all, man? If y'all want to see how to lace your Jordan 11s, man, stay tuned. Personally, I like to lace my 11s like this because I like that casual, like loose look. Some people might not like this. It's more like sloppy looking maybe because it's all like dragged around and shit. But I like my shoes to be loosely laced so I could just feel comfortable in them. I kind of took some inspiration from my 5s because like I have this dangling down. I have all this loose, but I couldn't do this part because the 11s have like the lace loops. They don't have holes in them. So it's kind of difficult to lace 11s. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. Let's get straight to it. So first we want to start with a clean canvas. If your shoes are dirty, now is low-key a good time to clean them, but mine are low-key a little bit dirty, but I really feel like cleaning them right now. So the first step is real simple. You just feed the laces through here. So you can't see it from this angle, but when you're doing this, you want to make sure, you want to pull your laces all the way up. You want to make sure that they're even. Peep how when I pull it up, this one's way longer, right? You want to make sure that the shit is even or else it's not going to come out right. You can't really see it, but now it's even. Now we move on to the next loops. What I like to do is, this is the inside part of your feet, right? This is where your big toe goes. So I like to start from the inside and go out here. Now this step is very important because, if you do it differently, it's gonna look different. Like you might think it might not, but it really will, especially with like Air Forces. I start with this side first and then I move to this side. I don't know if you peeped how like twisted up the laces were. If they twist up like that, you have to fix it now. If you just leave it like that, it's gonna look really bad. So you wanna fix it, you wanna like loosen it up like you saw me do it and fix it up. Your laces probably aren't gonna twist up. I'm at a really awkward angle right now trying to record this. So now we repeat the same thing with these next two lace loops and we leave this one empty. Remember to follow the pattern. If you started with the inside, you want to start again with the inside and then the outside. You don't want to flip it up or else it's gonna look all like weird. Now that we're here, as you can see, this is very loose. I didn't do it too tight. You might have done it more tight. So for me, this is pretty much good how it is. It's not too loose, it's not too tight. As you can see, your laces are equal length still. Now this is pretty much the last part. What you want to do is you want to join your laces together. You got your fingers here and all you do is make a knot. It's actually real simple. I don't like the knot too tight, but I don't really like the way this one came out. I don't like to have so much lace hanging down here. So if you mess up a little bit, it's okay. Just undo the knot and, make the knot lower or higher or however you want to do it. As you can see, it's real simple, man. It's really nothing too serious. Now I'm gonna be showing y'all what it's looking like on feet.
Perfect.